Hello friends, this is Devendra Sinha from Alien in Creation. Today I am going to brief you about country of origin to be added by e-commerce e-vendor. The Trade Ministry's Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade hosted an online meeting on e-commerce players on Wednesday. Wanted the changes for adding country of origin to be implemented by the end of July. Seller need to mention country of origin on products for GEM platform also. The government pushed to have e-commerce companies name the country of origin beside product listing comes against the backdrop of tensions between India and China following a border skirmish in June that left 20 Indian soldiers dead. There is an anti-China sentiment, so if there is labeling, it could potentially influence purchasers. Retailers begin work to list country of origin labels on product as per Reuters. E-commerce companies in India like Amazon.com's local unit and Walmart's Flipkart have begun to update their back-end system to allow sellers to identify the country of origin on all new product listing on their platforms. E-tailers have previously asked the government to clarify the definition of country of origin, which they say remains vague, with some products assembled in country including India, but with their components or raw material sourced from another nation. The government need to give clarification on that. One question is, what is the difference between e-tailers and e-commerce? E-tailer, the vendors. The e-commerce is the process phenomena of procuring of goods and services in exchange of money. Thanks.